Fighting fam, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this page is already started. Unfortunately, I lost the beginning half of this entry, but I didn't want to delete the footage that I had because I think you'll really enjoy seeing it. So I figured let's make this video extra fun for you guys since you missed the beginning half by having my fiance do the voiceover for you. So without further ado, I'm going to let my fiance Ben hop on here and try to walk you through this entry.
What is up, YouTube? Okay, today it is Arts and Crafts Day on my screen, and it's Arts and Crafts Day in my heart. I'm gonna be making some cool journal stuff, recounting a day that I had a while ago. So first of all, I'm gonna blow dry this sticker. Blow drying it's just gonna help it stick better, just kind of heats things up, and then see how it just goes on really nicely. It's a nice touch. You'll notice the blue color, it's really pretty. Makes me think of the ocean or the sky. Not really the farmer's market, but you know, whatever works. So now I'm gonna go through my selection of cards. I like this purple card better than that one. As you can see, it's also a nice color. So I have some flower stickers, really pretty. I'm gonna flip through my pages of emoji stickers, and now I found a nice, I think it's a popcorn container or a beach blanket. It's a beach blanket because I went swimming that day wearing a bikini. So again, just blow drying some stuff. Sun, please. Now you can see the blow drying gives it a nice shiny effect. That's another benefit of blow drying. I'm gonna use this tape to make it kind of like a flip book. So you can see, yeah, it's like a pop-up. Just flips it over really nice. Gonna put another piece of tape on there because you can never have too much tape. Gonna draw a sun around the word sun. I know that might seem redundant, but I think it adds a nice little touch. Again, blow drying some more stuff. Adding some splashiness. Just to emphasize the fact that I did go swimming that day. Writing some other stuff. What am I writing here? Pool. Pool. O-O-L. Notice there's no P in it. Please keep it that way. Kidding. Put on a sticker. Just again, more like inspirational, beautiful quotes. Just trying to make the page as uplifting as possible. More emojis, all kinds of emojis. And I put a butterfly. I don't recall seeing any butterflies that day, but it doesn't mean there weren't any. They're all around us. Gonna draw some more stuff. Oh, more splashiness. Just again, making it very clear that I swam that day. Thinking about what to draw here. I think I'm gonna write something. Lovely. Just adding some touches to it. So, lovely word, lovely handwriting, lovely journal page. So just filling it in, make it a little more clear, blow dry it more. I cannot stress this fact enough. You can't really blow dry too much. The more blow drying you do on the page, the better it's going to turn out. The more it's going to hold it together. That's literally the most important thing I'll say all day, so you might want to write that down. So just making that word, touching it up. Gonna add a flower here. Oh, never mind. I think I'm gonna do a drawing here. Just draw some flowers. I think they're a lot nicer than the stickers. You can see they're really artistic, really pretty. Kind of blend into the page, but they're subtle, and I like that. I'm gonna blow dry it, and now I'm gonna put a sticker to cover over the drawing that I just did. Makes it even more subtle. Blow dry it, very important. Now I'm going to write something. Now this could be a recipe. It could be, I don't know, things that you read that day. More likely I'll probably just write like a retelling or a recounting of what I did that day. I guess that's what a journal is all about. Gonna organize things. Organization is very important. And look at that, it's beautiful. It's just a great summary of the day and a great project. Thank you so much for spending this time with me and checking out what I did.